those silly dogs what to do. You're telling those silly dogs what to do. Not a teeth right around. Tell him, Cole. You tell him. Tell him to bite your mom. Tell him to bite your mom. Yeah. You on the butt? Uh-huh. Yeah. What do you think?